Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to correctly order the integer value in SQL. If you are writing the ordering, suppose using this clause order by, and I will be showing you a problem and then I will tell you how to correct the problem using the correct order by sequence. So suppose this is your field called hour, and you have done a order by, like order by hour and ascending. And in this case sometimes you can see the value like 1, after that 1 0, then 11 12, then the 2 will start again here, then again 21 23 to 4 24 and 3 again, then 4 5 6, and it will continue like that. So here we can see that, so this sequence, the way we want that, like starting with 1 2 3 4 5, so this is not happening. So the sequence has started from 1, then 1 10 11, so it has started like that. So how to solve this problem? And even you can see that sometimes that suppose you have, suppose here as 13, so here you could say something 11 21 22, and somewhere in the below you can get as 13 12 13. So sometimes although the sequence can be very wrong even if you do this ordering ascending or descending. So the only way to correct this, to convert this value into integer, even if the value looks integer, the field could be like char or nvarchar. So in those cases the ordering will not be correct. So in order to do this correct ordering, you should write like under your select statement, you should write like order by, then cast as int, that's called integer, and then you can do this ascending. So if you do that, this particular field will be converted into integer, and now you are doing this ascending order. So in that case it will be correctly be ordered like 1 2 3 4 and 5. And so in this way now it will be correctly ordered with your sequence as you want. So, and if you want the opposite, like you can simply write descending. So in that case it will start again from 24, then 23, so like that. So now your sequence will be corrected. So the important part is that you have to convert this field into integer using this cast operator. So you can simply write under your select statement like select means hour, then you will have a field, suppose table name, and then at the end you can write this order by clause right here. So in this case you can do the correct ordering. So that's all about this tutorial, and thank you for watching it. And also please look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the video description which you can learn more about SQL. And if you like the tutorial, please like it, share it. Thank you.